Hello Internet. Okay, today is 31st January 2021 and something crazy happened in my room just now and I want to share it with you guys and ladies. So this is my aircon in my room. This is portable air condition and as you see it's turned off, okay, because it's unplugged. Yeah, this is the plug, and this one is my battery charger. It's Milwaukee battery charger, and you can see it's charging now. The light is red, meaning it's charging the battery. Okay, what happened? My aircon was plugged, and as soon as I plug the charger, the aircon goes on. It turned on as soon as I plug the Milwaukee charger without pressing any button here, and it was crazy because the LCD here, the digital things, it was off, but the fan was working. So I had to unplug it, and then I tested again, and it turned on again. I want to show you now. See, this one is green now, meaning the battery is full. Let's see what happened. Maybe it doesn't turn on now. See what happened, because this one is green now. So I plug it. Oh no, it's still same. See? Did you hear the beep? And it's on. I can show you. See? See, it's on. But the LCD is off. Now I press the power button, see what happened. LCD goes on. Yeah, it's cooling now. The compressor turned on as well. See, the compressor goes off, but the fan is still working. It wasn't like this before. Okay, now the battery is full. Now let's see what happened if I unplug the Milwaukee charger. See what happened. This is the plug of it. Alright, let's see what happened. Oh yes, goes off. Did you hear that? Oh my goodness, that's crazy. So when I plug this one, something happened in the power distributor, this adapter here, sending some signal, kind of noise, electrical noise or signal to this air condition, and it has probably computer something, or I don't know, electrical thing inside that make it turn on. See, let's try again. This is for, see, this is for this bloody Milwaukee. All right, again, just here, just listen to it. I plug it now. Yeah. All right. Yeah, this is crazy. So let me know what do you think, how you can explain this crazy thing happening here. All right.